So karon matudlon pud ko about first order partial derivatives. So, first order partial derivative of function measures how the function changes as one of its input variable changes while keeping the other input variable constant. So pasabot na ang iyang equation more like this, more like f of x of y is equals to the partial of f with respect to partial of x. Then napod kay partial of f with respect to partial of y. Ano yung equation? Muna siya, ginana yung equation ba sa sabot anong partial derivative na siya f of x as how the function changes as one of its input variable while keeping the other input variable constant. So, para mas more clear mo na makasabot, maghimot ang problem na ato isolve. So, natay f of x of y is equals to x squared y plus y cubed. So, kana, based sa ako gihimo nga kuan, kini, based sa ako gihimo nga equation, ato siya solbon. So, partial of f with respect to partial of x is equals to partial of x squared y plus y cubed. So pasabutan na ang kini x squared y plus y cubed ato siya ko anong derivative with respect to x. So di ba x man x squared kani naman siya x, so kuha nato yung derivative. So derivative sa x squared is 2x, derivative sa y is y, dili i-copy nato kay apel naman siya sa gi-derivative nato daan, but ang derivative sa constant is 0, di ba? Always derivative sa constant is 0. So partial of f with respect to partial of y is equals to partial of y x squared y plus y cubed. So, di ba makuha na to ang 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 partial sa y. So, derivative sa y is equals to 1. So, may mo na siya og x squared na lang. Di ba? X squared plus derivative sa y cube is saman. I-down ng 3 minus 1. So, natay 3y 2. So, mo na siya ang partial derivative sa f of x of y equals to x squared y plus y cubed. So, magitatag mo example, napatay f of x of y is equals to 6x squared plus y squared. So, ato siya kaon f of x, f partial derivative with respect to partial derivative of x. So, partial is cos partial of x 6x squared plus y squared. So, natay 2 bring down 2 times 6. So, natay 12 minus 1. So, x. So, plus 0. Then, partial of f with respect to partial of y is equals to partial of y 6x squared plus y squared. So, natay, di ba, constant ni 0 plus 2y. So, that's all muna ako pagsabot sa partial derivative and solve na po the problem. Practice na lang more sa internet. So, that's all. Thank you.